Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this math problem. Even though it looks difficult to solve, I promise you by the end of this video, you'll be able to solve this math problem. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to help us reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for your support, and let's begin solving this math problem. One of the biggest mistakes some people make when using PEMDAS is not realizing that it is split into 4 different levels. Do you see them? P for parentheses, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and lastly, S for subtraction. And you don't just follow the letters in a strict order. And like, let's say M goes first and then D goes second, or A goes first or S goes second. Instead, you solve the math problem from left to right according or within each level. So looking at this math problem and looking at PEMDAS, we know that multiplication will go first, not addition. So what is 5 times 6? 30. And let me use a different color. Seems like the purple marker is low on ink. Let's see this color. So we have 30. That is much better. 30. And let's bring the 2 plus down, divided by 4 times 3. And then looking back at PEMDAS, we know division goes first, not addition. So what is 30 divided by 4? I don't know. So I'll write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and simple. And notice that both numbers are even, so we can half them. So what is half of what is half of 30? 15. Over, what is half of 4? 2. And that's it. You can't simplify 15 over 2 further. So that's what we want. We want to make the number smaller. And let's write the 15 over 2 more centered on the board. Let's bring the times 3 down, but let's bring the 3 down in a fraction form to make the math fun and simple. And let's do this. So 3 over 1 equals 3 does not change the 3. And let's do the same for the 2. Let's write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and simple. 2 over 1 equals 2 does not change the 2. And don't forget to write the plus sign there. So you take the plus sign down, so you have it there. And now I'm going to erase this for space. And looking at PEMDAS, multiplication goes first, not addition. So we're going to multiply across. So 15 times 3 is, well, I know 15 times 2 is 30, plus 15 is 45, over 2 times 1 is 2. And you can't simplify 45 over 2 further, so that is it. And I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to write this a little bit bigger and more centered. So it'll be 2 over 1 plus 45 over 2. And notice the denominators are different, so I'm going to use the butterfly method, and I'm going to use a different color. I'll use blue. Okay, so here's the first wing. 2 times 2, we're not adding, we're multiplying. So 2 times 2 is 4. And then here's the other wing. Can't forget the antenna. And 1 times 45 is 45. And here's the body. 1 times 2 is 2. And so our denominator is 2. 4 plus 45 is 49. That's our new numerator. And you can't simplify 49 over 2 further. So this is your improper fraction. But don't leave yet, because we want to find the decimal answer to this improper fraction using long division. And so I'm going to erase all of this for space and write our improper fraction answer on this side of the board, and then we'll get the mixed number answer too and write it here, and then our decimal answer here using long division. So here's the long division symbol. The 49 goes inside the long division symbol. That is called the dividend. And the 2 goes outside the long division. That is called the divisor. So how many times can 2 fit into 4? 2 times. And then we multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. And 4 minus 4 is 0. And then you bring down the 9. And now you have 9. And then how many times can 2 fit into 9? Well, 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. You can fit 2 into 9 4 times. And 4 times 2 is 8. And we subtract 9 minus 8 is 1. So we have a remainder of 1. So we can write our mixed number answer, 24, 1. The remainder goes above the fraction bar and the 2 goes below the fraction bar. So we have a mixed number answer, 24, 1 over 2. And that is 24.5 as a decimal answer. And there you go. Again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.